You are going to love the 2017 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system, adjustable pedals, MP3 player, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.